Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make my egg muffins. Not only are these super easy to make, but they taste delicious, they are healthy, and they are a great breakfast meal prep for the work week. So here's a quick look at everything that I'm going to be putting into my egg muffins. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, shredded parmesan cheese, some spinach, some sausage. I diced up some red and green bell peppers, some roma tomatoes, and some bacon. And I also have some diced onion. Next, I'm going to crack a dozen eggs into this giant glass measuring cup. I like to use this measuring cup because it makes it easier for me to pour this egg mixture into my muffin pan, but you can also use a regular bowl and then use a ladle to scoop the mixture out. Next, I'm going to whisk them together and then add my seasoning. I'm going to keep it simple and just use some light salt and some black pepper. If you really want to spice it up, you can even season your eggs with Tabasco sauce, or you can use Mrs. Dash. They have a variety of flavors. Okay, next I'm going to spray my muffin pan with some non-stick cooking oil. I ended up using too much, so here I'm just wiping off some of the excess. Now for the fun part. It's time to fill the muffin pan with the different veggies, meats, and cheeses. And my youngest son decided to join me because he likes to cook from time to time. And don't worry, our hands are clean. So he started off with the spinach and the parmesan cheese, and I started off with the sausage and cheese. Then he got mad and said he wanted the sausage. So I decided to have some fun with the bell peppers. And I love bell peppers because they are packed with so much flavor. But the great thing about this recipe is you could use anything you want in here. You can fill your muffin pan with chopped ham, chopped turkey. You can use broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, potatoes. Anything you want to use, you can put in there. As you see here, I started adding some onion to the chopped bell peppers because I love onions too. Now, as you're filling your muffin pan, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And don't be afraid to fill your muffin pan to the top with the fillings. It'll all hold together once you pour the egg mixture in there. Now I like to cover everything with cheese, so I usually put the cheese on top, but you could put it at the bottom, in the middle, the top, wherever you want. And as I said earlier, this is a great breakfast meal prep recipe. These egg muffins will last for 5 days in the fridge, or you can even freeze them. My son thinks he's a master chef, but I will say he does make the best scrambled eggs in the house. Now, once your muffin pan is full, if you have any leftover fillings, just put them in separate plastic containers and store them in the fridge to use for later, or just get some more eggs and make some more egg muffins until you use everything up. Okay, after my muffin pan is filled, I'm going to pour my egg mixture slowly into each little muffin cup. I take my time with this part because 1, I don't want to make a mess, and 2, I want my egg mixture to soak in between every bit of that filling. And as you can see, I pretty much fill each one up to the top. And once they're all filled, you're going to pop them in the oven. Remember to set it to 350 degrees, and you're going to cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. Here's the before and the after. My egg muffins are done, and I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes and then take them out. Next, you can use a rubber spatula to go around the outer edges to help get your muffins out. But as you can see, mine are coming out just fine. They're not sticking to the sides at all. And here they are. They smell delicious, they taste delicious, and they were super easy to make. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you decide to give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and you can support me by subscribing to my channel and then clicking that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.